Show you how to create a voice thread within Blackboard. In this short clip, you'll use VoiceThread throughout the semester to demonstrate your understanding of key concepts in AP World. So it's important that you know how to create the thread within Blackboard so I can see it and assess it. I'll also show you how to add slides and to highlight certain aspects of those slides. So we'll first go to your class in Blackboard, then to assignments, and once we're in assignments, we'll go to the folder I created for Mongol Impact. Click on that, and VoiceThread should automatically launch. Once you're in VoiceThread, you'll see the folder with all the threads that were created for the last SAQ remediation. To create a new thread, you simply go to the right to the green plus sign and click Add Your Own. You'll create a new voice thread, and you can see that it's being done within the AP World History folder. So click Create. We'll add media. Primarily, you'll want to add a PowerPoint slide or an image, or multiple slides or image. I'll go to my Dropbox folder, and I'll look for the two VoiceThread images, VoiceThread image 1. Click Open. It'll ask me to give this thread a title. I'll call it Test Thread. Save. Let's add one more image. Back to Dropbox. Search image 2. Open. Oops. Didn't find image 2. Here we go. Open. And once it processes, it's complete. We have 2 slides. We could have 10. We can reorder them by clicking on it and moving it. So you can change the order like that. To comment on the slide, to record, you simply click Comment, and you'll see a little button here. And once we create or open that and hit the microphone, you'll see that we'll get a countdown, and it starts recording. The pencil here allows you to highlight certain things within the slide. Some of you in the African SAQ remediation use the pencil to denote the east coast of Africa or the gold salt trade. So that's a handy tool to use. Once you've finished, you click Stop Recording. I'm going to just go ahead and cancel this. And once I've done that, I go to the X here and X out of it, and I am done. I click Share, and here it's telling me that you're submitting it within the AP World folder, and this says others will be able to view and comment. That's the only choice you have, so go ahead and click Submit, and there is the test thread. If you have questions, let me know.